What the hell are you doing here, Aaron? It's 3 in the morning, man.
I don't care. We gotta feed the algorithm.
Oh, man, no, I don't want to do this. Oh, Jesus, man, I'm exhausted. I was in a deep sleep. Oh, man. Yeah, I'll try and fix myself up here. I got dressed. And we're going to make a cocktail at 3 o'clock in the morning. Okay, I'm in. Why not? Well, to keep up... man, this is really hard at 3 in the morning. To keep up with our gin and tonic variation theme, I thought we'd do, I guess, a blueberry mint gin and tonic. So we're going to start with some blueberries. How many? I have no idea. It's 3 o'clock in the morning, man. How about a handful? And a bit. So now I'm going to muddle these blueberries. Muddle them like I'd like to muddle Aaron. Cha-cha.
Stuff your cha-chas in a sack.
All right. That's pretty good, man. I'm going to press about a half a lime, depending on the juiciness of this lime. Yeah. Now we're back to our old usual dry limes.
Rent to own, Bruce. It's a rent to
Go
own.
again. All right, let's try that again. I'm looking for about, ooh, that's a little better. I'm looking for about a half an ounce, thereabouts.
You're out of juice credits.
Juice credits, yeah. There we go. Okay, we're gonna follow that up with some wilted mint leaves. Oh geez, this is the perfect time to use up your old mint. It doesn't seem to have made the grade. So a couple little, oh, there's a nice one. Actually, I'm gonna need one for a garnish too, so I need to save one. That might be an impossibility. All right, I'll save him, and I'll throw some crappy ones back into our drink. No, seriously, this is when you want to use up the old mint that's kind of just sort of rotting in your fridge there. Good enough. Okay, we're going to muddle very gently this mint into our blues. I got the blues and I don't know how to lose them. I got the blues and I don't know what to do. Thinking about you, baby, let me take you in my arms and hold ya. I'll be so happy. Okay, gin. I'm gonna use Aviation today. I'm looking for maybe, I don't know, 2 ounces. That looks pretty good, man. I mean, I'm looking at these mint leaves and I'm thinking, this is how I feel. Aaron.
You feel like a mint leaf?
No, look at how wilted and destroyed these are. Okay, ice our drink. I don't have my scoop. Okay, all we're gonna do is ice our drink. I have no idea. I've never tried this. What do you want for 3 in the morning? How am I shaking? Like it's 3 in the morning. I'm in a nightmare, dreaming. I'm running from blueberries. I don't know. That's good enough, man. Okay, I do have a glass in the freezer because I have many glasses in the freezer. I'm just gonna grab it. I always have glasses in the freezer because you never know when you might need one, Aaron. We're gonna ice this drink, fresh ice. And we're gonna fine strain this into our glass. Oh, look at the color. Nice, nice. Actually, I wasn't expecting this. I've never made this drink. It's just a kind of a thought process at 3 in the morning.
It should brighten you up for 3 in the morning.
Ah, brighten me up, brighten me up. That's pretty good just like that. It's actually very inviting. I'm slowly waking up. We want to, so I chose elderflower tonic water for a little sweeter profile, right? And I don't know, 2 ounces, good enough. And we'll just give this a gentle stir. Garnish. Yeah, garnish. Who the hell needs a garnish at 3 a.m.? Garnish, and we're in. Okay? Yeah. All right, let's try this cocktail at 3 in the morning.
To be fair, it's like 3:30 now.
Yeah, easy. Wow, wow, wow. That'll perk you up. I'm good till 6 a.m. now. That's really nice, actually. Not sure it's a 3 a.m. cocktail, but definitely an afternoon sipper. Really mint driven. Could have maybe even cut back a little bit on the mint. The blues are there, for sure. And the elderflower tonic water gave it a little, I'm thinking a little more sweetness than if you were to use regular tonic water. I like it. I like it like a lot. It actually tastes kind of like a gin and tonic with the lime juice in there, but it has so much more flavor going on. Man, oh man. I'm gonna finish this drink and go to bed. And Aaron, if you ever do this again to me, I'll kill you. Now, we're going to muddle. It's 3 in the morning. I can't speak. We're going to muddle very gently.